Grace and peace, everybody. Welcome back to another video. It is your girl Jay, aka Faceovermatter, and in today's video, it is a highly requested video, and I promise you guys, it is highly requested. Y'all ask me all the time about what I eat and how I have been maintaining my diet, any changes to my diet throughout, you know, pretty much almost 6 months of my weight loss journey, fitness journey, whatever you want to label it as. It is very beginner friendly. I do want to warn you, very beginner friendly, simple meals that might not even look super appetizing to you, but it's just very simple, and it's what I eat and is what has been helping me. But I wanted to also let you guys know that today's video is in sponsorship with Lifesum, and it is an app that has been helping your girl through this process, because I do get some questions about do I count calories and how do I, you know, just kind of manage and all of that stuff, you know, track that type of stuff, and it would not get done unless I had an app like this. So I'm super happy and excited to be telling you guys about Lifesum today. So Lifesum is an app. It is literally going to be your best friend, okay? It is basically kind of like your food diary, where you can enter in your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and all of your snacks, all of your water intake, all of that stuff to help you get to your goals. So let's say hypothetically, like me for example, my goal is to intake about 2,100 calories a day. I'm a little under right now, so I'm still working out like how I can still fit in those needed calories, but with this app it is super helpful. So upon getting the app, listen, simple as pop. I'm not even gonna keep you here long. Simple and quick and easy. It's gonna give you a questionnaire just so it can better understand you and what your body goals are, what you want to achieve with your body, and all of that good stuff. So again, you can enter in your weight, your goals, all of your lunch things. And another thing that I thought was super interesting about this app too is that even if you don't know how to specifically read the nutrition label on the back, you have like a barcode section, right? The barcode is for you to literally scan the barcode on the back of like a bag of bagels or some eggs or something like that, and it will literally pretty much enter in that information for you. So again, it is super helpful, super easy to help track all of your progress. So right now I'm using the premium, and they gave me a discount code for you guys to use, so please check out the description box for the 50% off discount code for you to use on the app. The premium is going to get you all of the perks. So the free version is going to give you, you know, pretty much like the standard stuff. You'll have like the food and exercise diary, you'll have the habit trackers, and that's kind of it. But the premium, you're going to get so much more. Exercise tracking, meal plans, body composition tracking, food, meal and day ratings, macro tracking, recipes, personalized diets. You're going to get all of that on the premium, and that's what I currently use, because the premium, I need all of that. Give me all of that, okay? I need all of that to help me track this stuff, because I'm telling you guys, this whole fitness journey has been so interesting. It has been so interesting, and I had no idea it was going to be this. It can be intricate and it can be complex, but again, you just have to learn your body and learn what your body wants, learn what your body needs, and of course it's going to be customized to your personal goals. And that's what I really love about this app. It is super customizable. It is super helpful to help you reach your goals and keep you, honestly, I call it my accountability partner. It keeps you on track, okay? So please be sure to check out the description box below. I have 50% off code for you guys to use, for you guys to get the premium, okay? This 50% off code is gonna go out through January, so if you're interested, do it now before the month of January is out. Okay, so moving on into like my actual meals. So for breakfast, and now this is literally me just breaking it down because I feel like these questions, I don't know, I promise you it's to the point. It's not gonna be drawn out or anything like that, okay? So breakfast, listen, I still have coffee. I don't have a whole lot of coffee all the time, but I still have my coffee, okay? Because there are some people who are like other fitness gurus or fitness people that I follow, they literally say this verbatim: I eat what I want, you know, eat in moderation, but I stay active. They still look amazing. So it's like, I know there's different things that people want to do. I personally wanted to learn discipline, so I pretty much eat very simple. As I'm continuing to grow in this whole journey, I am learning that I can add other things in there. I don't have to strip myself of everything, but my main focus was just wanting to eat cleaner, and then two, having that discipline intact, because I was not disciplined at all, you guys, okay? At all. I'm gonna list it here. So for breakfast, usually consists of eggs, either wheat, like a fried egg on wheat toast, or scrambled eggs, something with eggs, or even boiled eggs was, in the beginning, was really my jam, boiled eggs. So eggs is always included, a bagel, some fruit, and water, and sometimes coffee. Lunch usually is pretty simple depending on what I made for that week. So it's always some type of meat. So whether it be salmon chicken or ground turkey. It's always some type of meat included. So I'll either have some type of sandwich like on wheat toast with some turkey and some lettuce, as you guys see here, or I'll have a salad with some shrimp or some salmon or some chicken, and I throw a couple croutons in there with some broccoli and you know, things like that. Keep it pretty simple. And again, when I tell y'all chicken, rice, and broccoli is anointed, mark my words, chicken, rice, and broccoli is anointed. And I know I've had this conversation plenty of times, like with my trainer and other people, like in their journey, about like, you know, do you want to eat the same thing every single day? And honestly, it's not that I want to eat the same thing every day, and I don't have to eat the same thing every day, but again, I wanted to learn discipline. I wanted to really gain control over what I ate and not be so, I don't want to say weak, but be so tempted into getting something that I know isn't going to help me progress. And not necessarily that it won't help me progress, but for me, in my personal journey, I did want to go a little bit more strict. We got breakfast here. Let's move on into lunch. Again, lunch can be like a wheat sandwich, turkey sandwich, a salad, or my meal prep, which again will include some type of green like asparagus, broccoli, or my go-to, some cucumbers, and then my meat source, again, salmon, shrimp, ground turkey, chicken, a rotisserie chicken. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. Let me help y'all out. Listen, I bought a rotisserie chicken. This right here is a go-to. I'm ready to heat some up now. A rotisserie chicken, okay? This bad boy up, throw this in a salad, amen. You can make a sandwich. Listen, get creative, okay? And then dinner is usually like the same thing. So I'll have some sort of meat like salmon, shrimp, chicken. If I make tacos, it'll be ground turkey with the lettuce and black beans. My meal plan is literally simple as that. Like, I promise you, it's nothing crazy or complex. It's just that. Okay, and then, okay, we did dinner. So then we can move on into snacks. So snacks are a lot of fruit. Now, I'm really trying to get into rice cakes. I see a lot of people eating rice cakes and they make them look so good with like bananas on them and honey. I gotta give me some rice cakes, but that is something else you can't eat for a snack as well. But I love yogurt, so yogurt with strawberries. Like yogurt with some strawberries and granola. This is a very good snack. Yogurt is always good. Meal replacements. So simple, so simple. I've included a few clips of like my snack, like breakfast. And if you guys watch the vlogs and you guys see me, you know, kind of mix it up just to get a little creative, like my fried egg sandwich with some hot sauce. I have some turkey sausage, turkey bacon. I have started to make pancakes. Y'all, let me show you. So these are protein pancakes. I get these from the Fresh Market. See if my camera gonna be trifling today. So I get these from the Fresh Market. These are protein pancakes. And of course, I eat these in moderation, but I can eat pancakes. So sometimes I'll have those with my breakfast. So with some eggs and some turkey bacon, turkey sausage. Like, we don't have to strip ourselves of everything and be eating straight up, you know, salads every day with air. Like, it don't have to be like that. We got oatmeal. You can make you some oats with some blueberries. Sometimes I will eat these before I work out. Now, it's not like a pre-workout situation, but it's literally just like a breakfast bar. So these are really, really good as well. Also, let me put y'all on game. So I have recently come across, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, then you'll know, I have recently come across these vegan, gluten-free bagels, and when I tell y'all, so good. So this is what it is. And they're so good. And again, I get these from my Fresh Market, and these are absolutely delicious. I think I'm gonna have one this morning, but absolutely delicious. Put a little cream cheese, not a whole lot, put a little cream cheese on there. So good. It's literally all about like your personal goal. And if you are still confused or still just trying to figure it out, I mean, get creative, plan your meals out. Like that, I feel like that is gonna be one thing that's really gonna help you, is planning your meals out. In the beginning, that's all I did. All I did was meal prep. I don't even meal prep as heavy now. Now being almost 6 months in, I kind of know what I'm gonna eat and, you know, things like that. So when I grocery shop, it's not that difficult for me anymore. But in the beginning, I was like meal prep, meal prep, meal prep. Because if you go ahead and eat and get rid of that hunger, you know what I'm saying? You're not like sitting around craving a whole bunch of like random stuff. And a lot of times, especially if you like certain places like me, I'll keep saying this all the time, like Chick-fil-A is my thing, which I haven't even eaten Chick-fil-A in so long. Like I don't even know what I would do. But I said all that to say, if you go ahead and have your meal preps ready and go ahead and eat, then you can get rid of that hunger and you're not like craving something else crazy. You know what I'm saying? But again, personal to your journey. Because again, I follow some fitness people who literally don't have any like dietary restrictions. They eat in moderation, they eat cleaner maybe, but they eat what they want, and they're active and they look good. So I feel like it's just it just depends. It just depends on you, it depends on your discipline. And again, I keep saying this because I don't want you to think you have to eat just like me in order to get results, because you do not. That's just what I wanted to do, because I personally wanted to learn discipline. That's the way I felt God was pulling me to learn discipline, and it was life-changing for me. You can try it that way if you want to, but you do not have to get results. So again, to pull back to this app, try out the app, you know, go through the questionnaire and everything, and it not only is it's not just gonna help you with you know, like calorie intake, protein intake, exercising and all of that stuff, but it's literally gonna keep you accountable, and it's gonna help you, I don't know, like just keep you on top of things, you know, again, with planning out your meals and what you want to eat and all of that stuff. Like, these types of apps really do help. They really do help, especially if you just need extra help. Now, I will say for me, what was really helpful was having a trainer, having someone who was super close to me and calling me and keeping me, you know, accountable for the things I was eating, because I don't do it anymore. I mean, I do it sometimes. Like, I did send him my meal the other day because I just wanted to make sure my portions were correct. But in the beginning, like, I would do check-ins with my trainer. I'd be like, hey, this is what I have for breakfast. Like, he would call me, he would text me and be like, okay, what you have for lunch? What was your snack? Like, he would keep me on my toes. So even if you don't have a trainer to do those things, this app will help you stay on top of that, because you're gonna wanna reach that goal. Literally at the top, which I'll show you guys, literally at the top, it's gonna show you how many calories you have left.
So here it's telling me that I have roughly 1,363 calories to go. I have eaten a little under 1,100. I've burned, you know, 319 calories roughly. So I'm gonna add my water in here as well.
So like this part, for example, do you see how it says recommended, you know, recommend calorie goal, like for dinner or for lunch or breakfast? Y'all see that right there? So that's what I was talking about, how it will literally recommend how many calories you need to be focusing in on for breakfast. So if you're gonna eat breakfast, let me make sure I eat this so I can reach my calorie goal. Let me do this so I can make sure I hit my protein goal and all that stuff, because you can put in all of this information. And I feel like I've been talking for so long. But I want to tell you guys through what I eat, and it's super, like when I tell y'all, it's super simple. It does not have to be difficult. It does not have to be all of these things, like I promise you. If you want to go the route of eating in moderation and just kind of eating what you want, it's whatever you want. Me, I kind of wanted to reach my goals a lot quicker, so I went more strict on me. And again, not saying that's what you have to do, but that's just what I did for my personal goal. And again, I feel on top of the world right now, because now I can go, like I've gotten this question before too, of like, how do I deal with going to a restaurant or being around friends who eat what they want? And it's like, you build up that discipline. You know, you want it so bad, you build up that discipline. So it's like, you know, friends could be ordering pizza with chicken wings and you know, all of that goodness. But meanwhile, I'm gonna order me a salmon dinner with some greens, you know what I'm saying? You know, maybe some potatoes, sweet potatoes or something. Again, it's your journey, so make it personal, figure out what your goal is, what you want to achieve. My goal was to have discipline, was to eat healthier, and was to feel better. And of course, once you do those things, give those things up to God and pretty much sacrifice those things, your body is going to react. So when you eat healthier, your body's going to react. When you're being active and working out, your body's going to react. So you're gonna get results regardless. So yeah, so there's like I'm telling y'all, even in the beginning when I was thinking about working out, I was like, this joint is gonna be so difficult. Like the food was the hardest part for me, because I was like, what in the world do I eat? Like I could show up at the gym, I could work out, I could bust out the squats, I could bust out whatever. What do I eat? What do I eat? So now that I have kind of like a plan, and I'm learning meals and learning what I want to eat and stuff like that, it makes more sense. And yeah, I've built up that discipline, so now I'm at a place I can eat what I want, but I've just gotten to a place that certain things don't make me feel good. They don't make me feel good. Like so for example, a couple weeks ago, I ordered some chicken wings that, they were like these honey barbecue wings, y'all, oh my God. I ordered these wings that I usually would throw down on, no problem. I ordered them and I ate 2 of them. Had some ranch, everything. Ate 2, got sick. I was like, oh no. So it either could have been a bad batch of wings they served me, or my body was reacting. It was like, ooh, we ain't had this in a minute. But it made me feel some type of way. So I was just like, that's just where I'm at with my journey. So again, it's going to be personal to you. There's 1,000 directions you could take into getting certain results that you want, because everybody has a certain result that they want. Everyone has a different goal. My goal in the beginning, which is still my goal now, was just to be healthier, was to feel better and to get in shape. So with that, I wanted to eat cleaner. I wanted to intake more water. I wanted to eat more fruit. I wanted to eat more things that were nutritious, as opposed to like going to Bojangles in the morning and getting me a fried chicken biscuit with some fries and a large sweet tea, or some bow rounds, or you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and I have learned to enjoy this process. I have learned to love this process, because this has honestly opened up my palate to different foods. There's a whole lot with this process, you guys. So again, try out this app Lifesome. It's really going to help you. Again, take advantage of the 50% off code for the month of January and start your journey. It's not too late. You're right on time, okay? You're right on time. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. So as always, if you're new, I'm Jay. If you're not new, I thank you so much for supporting me with whatever I do here with my channel. I love each and every one of you to no end. And of course, until next time, God willing, I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. How rude of me. Did I even tell y'all Happy New Year? Happy New Year, y'all. I don't even think I said it, but Happy New Year.